Hello students, this is DAC 2020 complete solution. This is part 7. We are solving from the question number 30. It's a maths question. A non-empty set C is a subset of Rn. It's actually given in this way. For every P belongs to real positive number, let Cp belongs to C such that P dot C of P less than equal to Pc for every C in capital C. So the given function given by E of P B dot C, so this is concave convex linear, we have to judge that. So we basically have this function. So now Cp is argmin of C belongs to C P dot C. Okay. So now P and P prime, this is also belong in so there are multiple, so more than one solutions to the system. Okay, so now this is taking lambda so plus 1 minus lambda into P prime. So if we just multiply lambda P C lambda P 1 minus lambda P prime and 1 minus lambda P prime C lambda P 1 minus lambda P prime. So this is greater than equal to lambda P C P 1 minus lambda P prime C P prime. So as a result of that, this can be written as lambda E of P, and this is 1 minus lambda replacing E of P prime. So obviously this is a concave structure, so option number C is correct. Next, non-empty subset, almost the same thing. This time they have asked about the homogeneity. Okay, so if lambda equal to 0 if we take, and P belongs to Rn plus again, so we can check that C of lambda P equal to arc mean dot C, so arc mean PC. So C of lambda P is giving you C of P only. So C of lambda P equal to lambda P into C of lambda P C of P, so lambda into EP. So this power is 1, so this is homogeneous of degree 1. (32) Suppose U of R is strictly increasing and the supremum is also given. A supremum is A alpha belongs to R, and then the function x tends to U of x divided by alpha into U of x. So this is boundedness and unboundedness structure. So the given function is strictly increasing, so greater than, no greater than, equal to. So alpha, so if you take up consider a value v, for which, because alpha is giving supremum value, so LUB, there is another thing, infimum, GLB. Okay, so we can do it that alpha v plus 1 less than U of x less than equal to alpha. So obviously U of x alpha So this is equal to V. Obviously, so the function is bounded above, and the option number C is correct.